So I went ahead, I put into Grok, I said I need 3D print 2 black spacers. I gave it some dimensions. And then I went ahead and I input this particular prompt into Grok so that I could get a response. So I was looking to get code back that I could drop into OpenSCad and be able to go, because I don't really know SCAD. So here we go. Here you can see Grok's going to go through. It's starting to think about it. It's getting ready to do some iterations, and then it's going to spit out a response for me. So it spit it out. I wasn't quite sure, though, if this was OpenSCad ready, that particular code. So I asked it if it would do that, and I went ahead and submitted that prompt, and sure enough, it fixed and gave me copy and paste ready code. So there we go. There it is. And this code I'm able to now take and drop into SCAD. Here we are. We're in SCAD. We're going to take the code we just copied, drop it in the left-hand side to render. So here we go. We're going to copy that. Here we go. Get that from Grok. Minimize the browser. We're going to paste that in. Now keep in mind, I've done no designing in CAD. I haven't had to do a thing. Now we're going to go ahead and render that so we can get a view of it. And there we are. There's my 2 parts exactly as I wanted them, to specification, all ready to go. So now I just need to do a render, and then I can output the file formats to be able to then drop that. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and render. And then we will do a export as, and I do a 3MF file because I'm going to use it in Bambulabs. So here we go. Export, and I'm holding the camera while I'm doing this, so I apologize. But there we go. And we're going to save as, and here we go. Rename it quick. I call it spacers, because that's what I'm using for on a little box to hold tools that I created. And now that that is done, we can go ahead into Bambulabs and we can import that particular file. So let's go ahead, we're going to import it and browse to, and so we're going to look for that spacers file. It's down below here, there we go. And we're going to click OK. Boom, there is our file. So now all we need to do is go ahead and, we're going to go ahead and do the slicing, and that's going to go lickety split. Once we've done that, we're ready to go ahead and send the print to the Bambulabs 3D printer. All ready to roll. Here we go. And we're sending that on its way to the printer. You can see the printer's receiving it. This is a small file, so it receives it pretty quickly. And that's over Wi-Fi. And now it's going to go about preparing, heating up the bed, heating the filament, starting to get things ready to rock and roll. And here we're at the end of the printing. Just finishing up. Beautiful. Look at those 2. And now ready to bring those into our software. So here's the box I needed. You can see there's the gaps where I need those spacers that I have printed to spec. And so we're going to go ahead and start to fumble with that. All right, so there we go. I've placed one of the spacers on with the bolt. I'm going to go ahead and put that bolt seated back in. I just need to put the nut on now. We're going to hand twist it. I put these on right now, but I went back, took them off the nuts, and I used some Loctite to hold it in place because I want to make sure that stays. And there we are. Now they're both on. Boom, just like that. Need a tool, need a part, make a part. AI plus 3D printing. Boom.